Hey folks, my name is Chad Butters. I'm the CEO and founder of Eight Oaks Farm Distillery in New Tripoli, Pennsylvania, just right outside of Allentown. It is my pleasure to get to talk to you today about our interaction with the STEPUP internship program. We were honored to be part of the initial kind of year of that as a small distillery, where we worked with a couple of the interns that came through that program on that first year, namely Aaron and Yaki. And it was just a real privilege to be associated with the entire program. The purpose of the program resonates deeply with us, trying to, get some diversity amongst our ranks and give some opportunity where folks might not have had it. And we are definitely better as a company for having gone through the program and opened up our doors. As you can imagine, it made us do a hard look at ourselves and how we do business. And whenever we're training someone else, you have to up your own game in order to be able to train them at some sort of level that's beneficial to them. And then also, another aspect of it is having the interns themselves come into your program for an extended period of time. They're coming from a different place, a different journey with different experiences, and they bring all of that to your organization. So we're better for having hosted Yaki and Aaron for sure. And now I know that Yaki and Aaron are out on their own, and they have they're working with distilleries, in different areas of this United States here. So we're just super proud of their efforts. We're super proud of this program, and we're just honored to have been part of it. I would highly recommend that if you're a distillery or if you're just a person that's interested in getting involved as potentially a mentor or just any other way to support it, even financially, if you would like to support the program, I would highly recommend doing that. It will absolutely be worth your time and effort, and I promise you everyone will leave better for having done it. So if you have any questions, feel free to get in touch. Again, Chad Butters, Eight Oaks Farm Distillery. It is my pleasure to get to talk to any one of you about the program. Let me know how I can help. Take care. Cheers.
I'm Mac Harris. I am a distiller at New Riff. I've been in my current role here for about 5 years now. And for the last year, I have been New Riff's STEPUP coordinator for our intern, Amy Salter. We would like to thank the ACSA and the STEPUP Foundation for both creating this initiative in the first place and also for allowing us the opportunity to participate. It's been a hugely rewarding experience from her, and we couldn't be more proud of the work we've done this past year. One of the greatest benefits that we feel we've gotten out of this is being able to be a part of teaching the new generation of industry professionals and really changing the face of our industry for the future. For the last couple hundred years, really, our industry has really looked one way. And it's about time that we see some change there. So we are very, very grateful to be able to be a small part of hopefully pushing some of that change along.
This program is incredible, and I would hope that every distillery out there who is looking at the whole landscape of our industry in the United States is eager to participate in it. There is no way you can better network with a series of other partners, distilleries, distributors, large and small, and give somebody a holistic view into our industry. You never know when people are looking to join distillation as in any way what in particular their strengths are going to lie in. And this is the most incredible opportunity to give somebody insight into the entire convoluted network of producing spirits start to finish all the way to the consumer. We always wanted to provide everything that we could on our end, but the thing that the ACSA has provided is those networks. That's impossible to do alone, and this is the best way to do it that we've ever seen. So we're just super appreciative of playing one small part in it.